Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That, the Urban Wrangler edition. Don't ask me why, but I guess about 6 months ago, when Tanya goes to work, she works nights, she's a nurse, she loves night shift, she doesn't like being in the middle of all the administrative people, so she pretty much primarily works nights. About 6 months ago, I started coming here to the park and having supper. I put something in the Hot Logic, in the Jeep, or I cook me something in the back of the Jeep. And I just sit here and enjoy watching people walk, watch the kids play baseball. It rained all day today, so they're not playing today. And I even watch adults play on the kids' toys. And I think when people see me doing that, they see me going in the back of my Jeep. They see me going in my refrigerator. And they see my entire setup. I think they think that I'm homeless. Or that perhaps I am a contractor of some sort, living out of my Jeep. And I can understand why they think so. I mean, think about it. When you see a guy in the park every afternoon between 5:30 and 6:30, enjoying a meal, pretty much in the same parking space, and if someone has that parking space, I move over to the one right in front of the restroom. When I finish eating, I go inside the restroom, I wash my utensils and my dishes, I come back out, clean up my area, I sit around for a while, watch the festivities, and then I drive away. I have thought about this particular park has a curfew of 10 o'clock. But I have thought about if it didn't have a curfew, this would be a perfect place to stay and spend the night, just to do some test camping, to test out some of my theories about camping out of the Jeep. So I do understand why they think that I might be homeless. No one has ever come up to me and asked me anything or said anything about being homeless. It's just that look that you get. And you know the look. It's like, oh, that poor fellow, or I wonder what he's up to, or I wonder what his situation is. And you can tell that they're thinking that. And that's about 80%, 70% of the people who walk by or drive by give me that look. Once again, clearly understandable. I'm out in the park. The temperature's down today to around 70 degrees. It's windy outside. And I hope the wind's not messing up my video too much, and yet I'm here doing the same routine on a Wednesday afternoon, mid-May. And they don't see me out here every day because you have the same people walking every day, same people walking their dogs every day, same people jogging every day, same people having their kids at the baseball game. So they see me 4 days, 5 days out of the week. Some days Tanya's not even working. She's out with her sister right now doing some shopping. I'm still here enjoying my afternoon lunch, or my dinner, as we call it here in Louisiana, and a beverage, a Mountain Dew fruit punch, kickstart. I got the Jeep open. I got my chuck box. I got my water. So when people walk by and see that, they assume I live out of my Jeep. And I kind of like that. I like the idea that people think that I can sustain myself from a vehicle. And believe it or not, I could. I have everything in that Jeep that I would need to survive. I have electricity. I have water. I have refrigerated food. I have clothes. I have my spices and seasoning for my cooking. I have 3 ways to cook. The Coleman stove, the Coleman single burner, the Coleman double burner. my hot logic, and I also have one of those. It's not a jet ball, but a baller that's similar to the jet ball. So I could sustain myself out of the Jeep. So I let them think what they think. I got a couple coming this way right now, so let's see what they're saying. We're just gonna chill for a minute and see the look. See if we can pick up on the look. I don't think I got the look that time around, but when they were making their first round, I did get the look. When people come through in their cars, I get the look. I wish I could catch it on camera. Now on a positive note, when I go to a gas station and when I fill up with gas, anytime I touch that gas pump, I go to my water and I turn on my automatic, my little USB pump, and I wash my hands thoroughly. Every time someone sees me do that, I usually get a compliment, or if that's a cool idea, or that's unique, or I get some kind of comment. And so maybe I'm getting a look, and not that it's a negative thing, hopefully it's a positive thing, but yet I find it interesting that I do get the look. Because there's a lot of people probably in larger places like out on the West Coast. I know that a lot of Canadians do it. They live out of their vehicle. I don't think you find a lot of people in the South doing that. You find people that may be coming through the South in perhaps Sprinter vans, those Dodge vans, maybe RVs, conventional camping. You find people doing that. But people with this setup, I don't think they see that much. The toolbox is unusual. The water source is unusual. When I open the door and they see there's a place in there for Fitzgerald, a Great Dane, that's unusual. So I can understand the look. All right, fam. So I just wanted to do a quick first video for Wednesday for the channel. And I don't know if I'm going to post this one first or post the Jeep introduction video first, where we kind of do a quick walkthrough of the Jeep. But whichever one I do post first, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the Wednesday content. It's going to get better as we go along. As I introduce y'all to the Jeep, there's so many components to the Jeep. There's how I eat, how I power the Jeep and my accessories, how I carry a 140-pound Great Dane with us when we camp. There's so many components to the Jeep. How I carry my external goods in a box in the back of the Jeep. So many components y'all want to stick around and check out. Alright fam, if y'all enjoyed this brief video, y'all give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day, a great week, and a great 2021. Peace.